The LeetCode question we're going to solve today has been asked by Google in the last 30 days, and it's called valid parentheses. Given a string S containing parentheses, curly braces, and brackets, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. As you can see, these are valid parentheses, but this one is not because it has a mismatched parenthesis and bracket. This is a classic stack problem, and what we're going to do is add open parentheses to our stack and pop from our stack when we see the matching closing parentheses. Let's code it up. The first thing we're going to create is our stack, and then we're going to create a complements map. This will just make it easier to match our open and closed parentheses. Now that we've done that, we're going to iterate through each character in the string. All of the open variations are keys in our map, so we're just going to check if C is in complements. In that case, it's an open parenthesis, and we just want to add it to our stack. If it's not in the keys, that means it's a closed parentheses or bracket. If that's the case, we're going to make two checks: if the stack exists and if the value at the top of our stack is the matching closed variation of the open variation we're seeing right now. If that's the case, we have found a match and we can just pop from our stack. Now, if that condition is not true, we know we've encountered an invalid parentheses because either the stack is empty and then we haven't seen any open parentheses thus far, or the parentheses don't match, so we return false. Finally, at the end, we're going to return not stack. This is because we want the stack to be empty. If the stack was still full, that means we have an unmatched open parenthesis. Now, when we submit the code here, we will see that we got the correct answer.